What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tamia, and I'm back with another video. And as y'all can see by the title, today I'm about to be doing my Sunday reset. It's not really much I do on Sundays. I just clean. If I don't clean, I'm just chilling. And yeah, but as y'all can see, I'm blonde. Get to the blonde though, like it's giving. But yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing today, and y'all just gonna watch me wash my hair and clean, and that's really how my Sunday gonna go. I get my hair done in the morning, and I'm gonna make a video on that, so y'all stay tuned for that video. But y'all already know I'm not gonna do too much talking. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow my social medias. You already know where they at, so make sure y'all go to that. And let's get straight into my Sunday reset.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I attention. You got, you got potential. You got, you got potential. You got potential. You got, out of you niggas, write it out for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Keep the Glock 40, holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just for me, yeah. When I'm really low, will you still go above for me? Blowing back to tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out.
Alright, y'all, so that's the end of my video. Don't mind my hair. I know I look crazy. I just finished blow drying my hair or whatever. But like I said, I got a hair appointment in the morning and I'm gonna be vlogging, so stay tuned for that video. But that is the end of this video. Hope y'all like it. If you do, let me know in the comment section. And also, again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already, because why haven't you? Like, what you waiting on? And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. And I am out of here.